Hello students, good evening. Myself is Kanti sir in 10th English. I welcome you at our already discussed examples given in textbook. Okay, only frustum of cone, that last topic is still left. So before going to the frustum of cone related example, let's see first of all formulas which are required for that topic. So first of all CSA. CSA is to pi L R1 like cone. Okay. Now TSA. TSA is nothing but a CSA plus something plus what? Two surfaces. Two surfaces are there, so we have to add two circular area. Okay, bigger radius R1, smaller R2, height H and slant height L. So it will be pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Now, if you find that so that is required at this part, means bottom part. If you want to prepare bucket, then material being used. So you have to use that material surrounding part, means lateral part. It is curved surface area, and then this part means pi R2 square only. So this is not CSA, not CSA. You just remember it directly. So volume will be R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Notice many students just mix up this formula. They just write this formula wrong. So I remember it. At very first lecture of this topic, I compare this formula with the formula of cone, and at that time you just replace single r by 2r. So that also you can remember. Okay. So in CSA r is replaced by r1, by r is replaced by r1 plus r2. This step only. R square is replaced by whole bracket. Now L is equal to x square cone to frustum of cone. R is replaced by R1 minus R2, just like that. But here is R1 plus R2, here is minus R2. So that also you can remember. Now look at the very first example of frustum of cone, means example number 12. Now many students confuse here because they just look at this solution. You cannot understand this solution. Okay. Actually they solve this question without using formula. So not to see here at very first page. Okay. Just look at the next page. Next page they have solved the same sum. Same sum is solved by using formulas. Okay. So look at next page, not at the same page. That solution is quite different. Without using formula, using conceptual mathematics only, they have solved that particular example. So don't try to understand. You can, no problem, but most students may confuse without any reason that. Okay. So remember that. Now there is one problem I am talking about, that example number 12. Example 12. I just place here all values. R1 is given 28, R2 given 7, height H given 45, L is not given. We have to find that because area is required. Find volume, curved surface area and total surface area. All three parameters are required. Means in one question given. First of all, here nothing is new, but for finding L, here is L comes in fraction, not in integer, just like example 1. In example number 1, I just explained how to find L if there is no perfect square number is there. So here also same problem arise. It is L is equal to a square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. Just try to place this value. So this is 45 square plus 28 minus square. So it will be 45 square plus 21 square. Now you may confuse that these are very big numbers. How to make square? And after getting square, how to find square root? It will be quite complicated. So it is something common. Something is common here. You can understand 3 is common. So can you take 3 common? But if you take 3 common from that one, so actually 3 square is taken common. 3 square is taken common from the there. So at second page of this one, they have taken 3 common. Okay. So 3 is taken common, but basically what happens, just understand. 3 square is taken common, but it comes outside, so it becomes 3. Okay. Now 3 into 15 will become quite simple. It will become quite simple. Okay. Now try to get it. 225 plus 49. 9 plus 5, 14, 1. 4 plus 2, 6, 7. 2, 7, 4. Now look here. It is very near to 289. 289 is the square of 17. This is a square of 17. It is very close to this one. So you have to try to find square root of 274 by trial and error method, because there is a one method of finding square, but it is not in your syllabus. Okay. So now you cannot understand. If I try to explain, then only you cannot understand how to find square root, because nowhere you studied there so far. Okay. So it is a trial and error. How? If 289, then its square root is 17. So might be this will be somewhat less than 17. Might be 16.9, 16.8, 16.7. We don't know. Okay. And previous number of this one is 256. It is the square of 16. So in between somewhere root will be there. You understand? This way only you understand in which two perfect square number given number is there. Okay. So it is quite equidistant from. Now take difference here. Difference of this one and this one. Here is a difference 56, then 66, 76. Here is difference 74, then 84. Quite middle way. So just look at 16.5. Just 16.5. Then try. If less, then look for 16.6. If more, then go back. So first of all, try for 16.5 into 16.5. So it will be 16500. Now ignore first of all points. Let's start. 6 5 are 30. 3 6 6 are 39. Sorry, 36 plus 3 39. 3 6 1 are 6 plus 3 9. 5 5 are 25. 2 6 5 are 30 plus 2 32. 3 5 1 are 5 plus 3 8. Again verify. 6 5 are 30. 3 is 39. 3 9. Okay. Now 5 5 are 25. 5 6 are 30. 32. 3 8. Okay. Now 5 2 5 plus 9 14. 14 plus 8 22. 2 6 plus 2 8 plus 8 16 17 1 2. So it is nearly 272.25. So approximate very near to that. Now if you try for 166 into 166 means 16.6 into 6, then it might be quite far from. We just try 16600. Then 6 6 are 36, 3 36 plus 3, 39, 3, 9. 9, 9, 6 here. 6, 15, 5 plus 2, 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 1. So it will be 275.56. Okay. Now look there. This is nearer. Now it is 274. So 1 point something. 1.56 is there. Here is 273, 274. Okay. So I think look, here is a difference of 1.56. So look for that one, 270, 222. It will be 75. Here will be 31. So 1.75, 1.56, quite nearer than this. So look, 1.66. 1.66. Okay. Now just multiply. 6 3 is 18. 1 6 is 18, 19. 1 4.98. Okay. So sorry, I taken by difference here. That will be 16.6, not 1.60. Okay. We taken here 16.6. Now multiply. 6 3 is 18. 1 6 3 is 18, 19. 1 3 1 is 3, 4. So 49.8 approximately. Okay. They got 9.65. We don't know how they calculate. Both are right. We and they both are right. Okay. They might take 65. Okay. If 16.5 into 3, then it may be 5 3 is 15. 1 6 3 is 18, 19. 1 3 1 is 3, 4. 49.5. So it is quite nearer to that. Okay. Their measurement is exact. Why? They have used might be calculator, otherwise log table. We don't know. So they must give this type of value, but luck by chance here not given. Either they forgot, otherwise purposely they have not. Just try that way. Otherwise, if time left after discussing remaining, I will try to explain the method of finding square root. Okay, because in example 1 and in example 12 also in both ones that is required. So we just go to even not in syllabus, but for our purpose, for our knowledge, we just understand, try to understand the method of how to find square root. Okay, for time being, I just look how many. Okay, if you so just we try to find here only. Okay, up to 2 decimal we will try to find it. Now approximate we found here 16.5 or 16.6. Now look how much exactly it will be. Okay, so just try to concentrate here. 274. Write down it. If you want to go in decimal, then just write down 0.40. Want the answer up to 2 decimal, that's why. That is not rule, but almost minimum 4 zeros should be placed there. Okay, if it is integer. Now make pair from here, pair of 2 digit. So this first pair, this with 2 pair. If 1 is left, just write it down. First pair. If 1 digit only left, then take it single. Otherwise, in pair only you have to first of all start. This is just like division, but not actually division. So first point, make pair. Make pair of 2 digits. At last 1 left, no problem. Okay. Second point. Now how to start? Here actually no division, so what we have to took here? So look for first of all 2. Now go that way. 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9, that way. So 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4 will be more than 2. Okay. Now look for first pair only. Okay. Actually not pair but only single digit left, but as a pair only. So 1 1 is 1. Otherwise 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9 anyway. Up to that number you have to go. Okay, but don't cross that. So now just like division, subtract it. So 1 left. Okay, now in division we bring one digit from that number. Here one pair comes. So not single digit but one whole pair comes. Okay, so first step over. How I done that first step of finding square root? Just I look for first pair of single digit here. It might be double digit also in some numbers. So 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4 increase. So I just stop at 1 1 ja 1. Okay. Now for going to next step, just add this unit digit here. Add unit digit here. Here is only one digit, but if more than one digit number, then add only unit digit. So now how much it becomes? 2. Okay. So that is just preparation for next step. That is adding something, adding unit digit. That is just preparation for going at next step. Now 2 left. Now if you place here 1, then you have to place here 1, just like this, 1 1. If you place here 2, then 2. So 21 1 ja, 22 2 ja, 23 3 ja, 24 4 ja, 25 5 ja. That way you have to go. So in rough, just verify it. If I go to 24 into 4, then how much it is? 9. It will quite less. Now 25 5 ja 125. So we just go. Okay. 27 7 ja. We just try it that. 7 7 ja 49, 4, 7 2 ja 14 plus 4 18. So that is quite more. So 26 into 6. 6 6 ja 36, 3, 6 2 ja 18, 18 plus 3, 21. Okay, so 26 6 ja 36, 3, 6 3 ja 18, 18, 19, 22, 1, 6. Sorry, 6 2 ja 12 plus 1, 13. Okay. 6 6 ja 36, 6 2 ja 12 plus 3, 15. So 26 into 6, 156. So place here 6 and 6. So it will be 2 5. Okay. Now just like division, 6 8 5 1. Okay. Sorry, it is 156, and here left 0. Okay. Now 2 zeros from here. So we digit taken from point. So make here point. Now going to next step, just add unit digit here. So it becomes 32. Now try here. I just place here a point. Why? From point I bring here one pair of digits. Now look here, 321 into 1, 322 into 2, 323 into 3, 324 into 4. So that way you have to go ahead. I just jump at 3 6 18, but it will be quite more. So 325 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 1 5 3 is 15 plus 1 60. 326 into 6 will increase somewhat because 3 6 is 18 only. So 300 into 6 become 18. But here is something more. So 326 into 6, 625. Okay. So it is 10 1 15 16. Okay. So here is 5 7 7 minus 6 1. Now 2 more 0. Now just go this way. So 2 digits we have to go there. That's why. Otherwise up to 1 decimal it is quite nearer to that. Okay. Now look at 6 plus 6 12, 3 3 32. Now look, 3 3 2 1 into 1. If you place 1, then here also 1, 2 then 2. So 3 3 2 2 into 2. So that way just try to go ahead. Okay. So 3 5. So I just try again, 3 3 2 5 into 5. If you place here 5, then multiply by 5. If you place here 4, then multiply by 4. Okay. So 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10 plus 2 12, 1 5 3 is 15 plus 1 16, 1 6. So it is quite nearer to that. So now we don't want to go ahead. So don't subtract them. Okay. Because just stop here. So it is exactly 16.65. Okay. 16.65, and that way if you multiply 16.65, then only it will be exact answer. 5 3 is 15, 1, 6 is 18, 19, 1, 6 is 18, 19, 1, 4, 49.95. Okay, 49.95. There are 49.65. We don't know if they stop at first digit or next digit. Okay, so no fixed answer is that. Even that is not our right answer, we can go ahead also. Okay, just that way. Okay, so if you want to study or want to learn it, just I explain it again, not compulsory. If anyone not getting, don't confuse it, just let it go. 274 is there. I want to find square root of that number, so I just place here, and 4 extra zeros are placed after point. You can place so many. Okay, then make pair this way from point to left side and point to right side of 2 2. If 1 is left, then pair of 1 only. Now 1 1 is 1 left, so 2 minus 1 is 1. Now for next step, just 1 is added. Okay, so just 2 is here. So now 174. So just look, 21 1s are 22 2s are 23 are likewise. Okay, you just look at 26 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 2 are 12 plus 3, 15. So 156 just left. Okay, so 2 comes here. Again add a single digit, unit digit. So 32 we got. After getting 32, look here, either 321 into 1, 322 into 2, 323 into 3. I just approximately go to 326 into 6. Okay, 326 to 6. So it becomes 6 6 are 36, 3 6 2 are 12, 15, 1 6 is 18, 90. 326, sorry, 325 into 5. Okay, that was increase. So we come here 35 into 5. Okay, so it becomes 1 minute. 326 into 6 increase, 325 into 5. 5 5 is 15, 1 5 2 is 10, 11, 1 5 is 15, 16, 1 6, 25 2 5 2. Okay, so here I have to play 5 only. Actually that was 5 only. Okay, then 5 again today. So now just that was right. 1625 was right. Okay, by mistake here I placed 6 only, but actually it was 5. Okay, so how much left is 75, 7 6 1. So now it becomes 330. 330. Okay, now try one pair come again. So either 3301 into 1, 3302 into 2, 3303 into 3. That way you have to go. So I just go at 3305 into 5. Okay, so 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15, 16, 1652 5. So I again put here 5. So 1652 5. And 3306 into 6 will be increased. 6 3 is 18, 6 is 18, 90. It was quite more than then. So we have to stop here only. Okay. Now we don't go ahead. Don't want to go ahead. So 16.55 is our decimal place. Okay, now just try 5 3 are 15, 1 5 3 are 15 plus 1 16, 1 6 3 are 18, 19, and 3 1s are 3 4, 49.65. Okay, I think now it is exact up to 2 decimal place. Okay, we just make here mistake. Just look there again. If you want to write down or take screenshot, then you can. Okay, now I have not subtracted here because we have to stop here up to 2 decimal place. So that is the method. If you want, you can learn. Okay, now I just give you hint adding remaining 2. Okay, and there is also problem. Look in that one also problem of finding square root. So this is the third example. First 12 and now 13. That problem arise at finding L. Okay. Now actually what is asked in example number 12. Everything CSA, TSA and volume. So you just place value after finding L. So now nothing is new. Okay, now we just go at number 30. In 30, one is there, and they want to find something is stored inside of that, and it is given 0.2 gram per centimeter cube. So obviously you just find volume. After finding volume, just multiply by 1.2. Why? Per centimeter cube 1.2 gram is given its mass. Okay, so now after finding volume, just find mass by volume into 1.2. Okay, so that will be your gram. If you want to convert into kilogram, then divide it by 1000. So it is quite simple. Okay, just volume. And same type of sum this inside that exercise. Okay, somewhere it is given. Okay, now number 40, last one. This is a real bucket given. So in bucket shape, there is one supporting material here. Actually, in many cases, it is actually given, because without support any vessel cannot be there. Okay, so that is here, and measurements are given. First of all, the diameter of two circular ends are 45 and 25. So this is 45 to half of 45. Now this will be half of 25, so 12.5. Okay, and height is given. Cylinder base is of 6, so that is 6. Suppose it is capital S. Okay, because small here. Okay, the diameter given. Total vertical height of the bucket is 40. If you 6 from 40, then remaining will be 34. So you will get 34 here, because total height, frustum of cone as well as cylinder. So you just subtract it and find out 34. First of all, here is asked, just try to understand question. Okay, it is asked that find the area of the metallic sheet used, and then find the volume of water the bucket can hold. These two answers are asked, just like exercise question 13.4, question number 4. Just like 13.4 point, question number 4, there was no this part. Okay, so first use this formula, material use. Okay, pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R2 square plus something. Okay, why? Because it's cylindrical support also there. So material 2. I just giving you hint. Pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R2 square plus 2 pi R2S, because CSA of this cylindrical support also, and this is the open part, this is the closed part. Okay, so material used at CSA of cone, frustum of cone, CSA of, and bottom of frustum of cone. So CSA of frustum of cone, CSA of cylinder, and bottom of cone. So all three are taken. Now nothing is common except pi. Except pi, nothing is common. So take only 5 and just place your value. Here also finding L will become quite difficult. Just like so, if you understand that method, then it will be quite useful here. Okay, try to find that way only, because H is 34 square. Now difference of this both one will, I just writing directly difference n square. So accordingly you just try to go ahead and find answer. They given us 35.44. So you just try by that way. I just explain that method according to only try to find it. Okay, whether you are getting that answer or not. Right. Now that will be your first answer. Then, how much volume? Find the volume of water the bucket used. So that will be simple only. Plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Okay. So volume of water hold. Your capacity of that volume of water hold. Here no cylindrical part involved. Why? Water in this part only. In this part only. This is for support only, not for filling water. You understand? So that is again very simple. Okay. That is new. This part is new. Material used in part, that is repeating. That is supporting. But 2 pi r, because its radius is smaller radius of frustum or cone. Okay. So calculate this way only. So we go through question 12, 13 and 14. Not that 11. 3 question only. So 12, 13 and 14. So all work. I just given you hint. Not a single sum I solve fully here. So you solve all 3 sums in a homework. Okay. And try to square root also by that particular method. Here also in 14 number that is used. In 12 number so that is used. Here is volume is asked. In 13 one volume. So volume no L is there. So that is quite simple. So volume is easier than area. Why? In area there are variety of formula. First of all, variety of formula. Then L is required there. So you may confuse first of all which formula should be used, and sometimes finding L becomes complicated. But if it is case of volume, then no any option, only single formula is there and no L is required. So finding volume is becomes simple, but area becomes sometimes difficult. Okay. So in this both one, try the new thing we study today to find L, and for finding L, how to find square root in decimal. That is useful here. Okay. Otherwise, I have given all formula for all 3 sums. Okay. So you have no choice, no need to think which formula is to be used. I just given it. Okay. Thank you.